They will love you badly after listening to this meditation. Welcome back, Love Magnet. Get ready to unleash a version of yourself so aligned, so magnetic, so irresistible that your specific person has no choice but to come running towards you, craving you, loving you with intensity they can't explain. You are stepping into a field of energy so potent, so high energy that it bends reality in your favor. You are now becoming the version of yourself that cannot be ignored, cannot be denied, cannot be forgotten. Now close your eyes and say this to yourself. I am the magnetic force of love. I am the embodiment of desire. My energy speaks louder than words. My energy is calling my specific person to me now. They feel it, they hear it, they crave it. My specific person can feel my vibration. My energy is wrapping around them like a warm, irresistible blanket. It is soothing them, pulling them toward me, awakening feelings they've tried to suppress, but they can't hide from it. They can't hide from me right now at this very moment. They are thinking of me right now. Their heart is beating faster because I exist in their thoughts. They are seeing me in their dreams, feeling me in their bones, and hearing my name in places they've never expected. The universe is whispering my essence into their life at every turn. I am the love they have been searching for. I am the safety they crave. I am the passion they've missed. I am the healing they didn't know they needed. Every word I speak, every breath I take, carries a vibration of love that seeks them out like a heat-seeking missile. My love, my presence, my being, it is unavoidable. It is undeniable. I don't need to chase. I don't need to beg. I don't need to prove because I am the embodiment of enough. I am the embodiment of worthiness. My specific person sees that now. They feel it now. They know it now. They are being pulled to me like gravity, like the ocean is being pulled by the moon. My energy, my essence, my frequency is calling them home. They love me badly. They crave me intensely. They miss me more than words can express. They regret ever pulling away. They are magnetized by the love I radiate. They are obsessed with my essence. I am not the one who waits. I am the one who receives. I am not the one who chases. I am the one who attracts. I am not the one who doubts. I am the one who decides, and I have decided I am the one they love. I am the one they want. I am the one they choose. I am the one they return to right now. They are feeling restless right now. They are checking their phone right now. They are playing our conversations in their head right now. They are remembering the way I laughed, the way I loved, the way I looked at them right now. They are craving me. I am their favorite memory and their deepest desire. I am their peace and their passion. I am the dream they wish they never walked away from. And guess what? They are coming back. Not because I forced them, but because my energy called them home right now in this moment. I call back all parts of me that were hurt, rejected, or abandoned. I take my power back. I stand tall in my truth. I am divine. I am love. I am magnetic. I am unforgettable. They are on their way to me now. They are reaching for their phone now. They are planning how to come back now. They are imagining our reunion. They are practicing what they'll say. They are hoping I'll take them back. They are nervous. They are excited. They are desperate to make it right because no one compares to me. No one loves them like I do. No one holds space like I do. No one matches their soul the way I do. I am not hoping anymore. I am knowing. I am not waiting anymore. I am receiving. I am not wishing anymore. I am experiencing. My specific person is now pursuing me with passion. My specific person is now apologizing with sincerity. My specific person is now expressing the depth of their love without hesitation. The more I love myself, the more they are drawn to me. The more I believe, the faster they show up. The more I affirm my truth, the louder my energy becomes. And my energy is unstoppable. It is beautiful. It is captivating. It's like a love song they can't get out of their head. Like a scent they smell everywhere. Like a warmth they ache to feel again. They can't run from me because I exist inside their soul. They can't forget me because I live in their heart. They can't replace me because I am irreplaceable. They can't resist me because I am irresistible. I am the one. I am the lover. I am the miracle. I am the manifestation. My specific person is aligning with me right now. The universe is conspiring right now. The signs are aligning right now. My inner world is radiating right now. And because of this, they are coming back fast, hard, fully with their heart in their hands, with love in their eyes, with an apology on their lips. I forgive the past. I bless the lessons. I release the pain. I am open to receive. I am open to love. I am open to reunion. The new story is here. The new version is here. The love story I desire is here. And so I rise. And so I attract. And so it is. They love me. They need me. They want me. They choose me. They are mine now. Now take a deep breath in and feel that truth settle deep into your soul. You are no longer the version of you who doubts, who fears, who waits. You are now the version who commands, who radiates, who receives. Your specific person is yours now. They love you badly. They crave you deeply. They are yours. And this is only the beginning because you are magnetic. You are aligned. You are love, and nothing and no one can resist the energy you radiate. Now go out there and live in your knowing the phone call is coming. The message is being typed. The visit is being planned because it is already done. It is already yours. It is already real. They love you. They want you. They are coming back. You are the love they've been begging the universe for, and now the universe is delivering. Congratulations, beloved. The wait is over. Welcome to your love story. And so it is, and so it must be. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type "they love me badly" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed by my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.